Okay. So what would an apology look like if you had to make a contract? So you have the visual, you could say start analysis. So you've got, you could say view the logs, you got agent communication. If you have the AI connected, you could export out your analysis. So you could say, so you could sit here and say generate contract. There's your contract. You could say begin mediation. That function's not here, but you could go for the logs again. You could say refresh the agents. There's your logs. And you could say I want to do a mediated discussion. You could go to a group process. You can go to a formal restoration. You can generate the contract. There's your contract again. Say begin mediation, that's not working. Here's your view logs again. Um, here's your enhanced protocol. So I've broken this down to, I think it's 8 steps actually, but you've got the repair, which is recognize and acknowledge. And E, you examine what went wrong. You would prepare your apology, acknowledge, you would articulate, you would implement, and then you would restore. So, and this was created originally as a joke, and this is what the site actually looks like. So here's your enhanced repair protocol. It's a comprehensive framework for integrating advanced cognitive processing and general reconciliation. You've got AI mode. Also, we can go to where you can upload any type of document. So you can go to a bot, and the bot can actually help you as well. We could say upload a contract. Here's a sample contract. And you could actually say, we can say cats, and contract is actually successfully signed. You can see it was digitally signed right here on the 19th at 10:53, 19th at 10:53, and it'll actually tell you end of the enhanced contract. If we go back up to the top, um, so we could view the contract. Digitally signed. Need to get that fixed. You could print it, you can view it, you can copy it, you can download it as well. So if you download it, you've got your contract here. Once again, there it is. And there's mediation. So if we go to the beginning, you've got standard mode. You can start the protocol, view the framework, track your progress, and then mediation mode. There's also the AI coach, which is a bot, which will open up in another. There's your repair protocol right there, which gives you all kinds of support. You could say start the protocol. You've got AI enhanced mode, which has actually got like real actual AI integration, not fake. You can actually go up to your API, and it actually has real-time AI integration where you can actually hook up your API. We got OpenAI, Claude, Azure. And you can actually add a custom model in here with your API key. You can reset the defaults. So this actually has real AI integration where you can add API calls, use your own real API key. But there's your standard go through the phases. You can sit and go next. Here's your recognize. You can actually say, here's your bias mitigation checklist. And you go to the next phase. Go to the next phase. Go to next. Go next. And we're at the restore phase. And here's your AI support contract. After signing, scroll down, and then you can actually get your personalized assistance. This would actually have all the stuff that was in there other. So here's your signature required. So if you went in here and then put your custom thing in there, you would hit sign. So if I went cats, there it is. There's your signature right there. 919 at 1057. And it will tell you your AI coach will track your progress. You could view it, print it, copy it, download it, and then you can continue to the AI coach, which we were just at. Once again, there's advanced here's your visual framework that we had before. So there's your visual framework just to show you what it is. If I go to the progress, if I just wanted to upload a custom sample contract, I can go analyze. It'll actually tell you which part of your phase that you're in. It'll tell you milestones. You can actually sit here. It'll tell you what part of your where you're at. So you can actually say, save a journal entry. You could actually download your report. There's the date that matches. There's your recent journal entry of hi. And you can go here and actually upload that. And what I might do is turn this into HTML so it'll actually make more sense. Then there's mediation. This is fully this is fully AI. I'm live streaming right now, but no, I do not. Nobody can hear you on the live stream, but they can see the space. But I do not partake in the marijuana. I miss marijuana immensely, and I barely drink. I vape tobacco um, because it's delicious. But no, I'm boring, bro. I'm 50-year-old old man. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Hey, I gotta finish this stream. So here's the progress again. Got your repair protocol. Then there's the home again, mediation mode, track your progress, view the framework, and then you can actually go to any contract where you can upload any custom contract you want, and it will actually sign it for you digitally. So if I was to sit here and go, and I go sign the enhanced contract, there it is, digitally signed on this date, 9/19 at 11 o'clock. And it'll actually tell you, hey, congratulations, you've signed your contract. You could view it. And copy, download, and then print it. Those all work as well. And then once again, you could just go to your AI coach and you could upload the contract there and have it analyze it in real time. Mediation right now only works with AI power, but you could actually mediate and take your, this is if you have the API hooked up, but you could actually sit here and say, take a break, reframe. And if you had your, once again, if you had the AI enhanced mode hooked up and you have the API going, you could use this in real time. And yeah, so once again, you could sit there, it's updated to Claude 4 and Haiku and all that good stuff. Throw in your API key. I even have a guide, which I'm going to put in here as to how to tune the parameters the right way. So I might add a little help section in here because it'll actually make it easier for people. But yeah, this is the enhanced repair protocol, and it actually uses advanced AI to mitigate your problems. Because um, even people need help when it comes to apologizing. So another project came out of Diatasso that was originally a joke that people actually were interested in. So yeah, there it is. I'm going to pause real quick. So All right, so let me fire this back up real quick. Oh, once again, this is just to give you an idea of what it looks like. And then this is the actual real deal. And then I think if I go, this is the back end. We could update the tool. And we'll view the GPT. And I could throw it up here. Let me go user. If I go in here, I'm going to go sample contract. I could actually upload that contract to the bot. And oh shit. Let's see if this is actually streaming. It is. So it's actually, so if we go in here, here's your snapshot. It'll tell you like what phase that you're already in. It'll break it down for you. It'll tell you where your dashboard is, auto update notes, crisis protocols, and right here, this is a mermaid diagram that we could actually look at also. And you want me to pre-fill the structure draft and give you a 2 to 3 sentence factual of what happened. We could actually set bring a visual image of the mermaid graph as JPEG or PNG. And this should actually generate an image of this mermaid chart. Let's see what this looks like. That's the better. I don't know if that actually works. Um, Let me see if that actually works as well. Let's see if that actually. I think there was some. This can actually help you mediate also, and I actually uploaded some other stuff here. I took some other contracts. I don't know if the sound had cut out, so I'll just talk it through again. I took other contracts that it had signed. I did a repair progress signed contract and an repair analysis. I said analyze, and it actually went through and set the performance targets, and it'll tell you like how many days it was active um, from here, and then yeah, so it was actually using previous assignment, which is why it's in there. And then here's your JSON analysis, key alignment gaps, and yeah, so there you go. And I hope you enjoyed this demo. And yeah, we will see you again in the future. And let's see. So I was just testing the stream. Um, so there it is. That will go back to the restream stuff. Um, Click on a chat message and display it on the screen. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we will do this again with a. We'll do this again next time I have another demo. I'm almost done with the space repetition learning. Beginning a lot of requests for that, so I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know when that's available. All right. You guys have a good one.